Hey there, welcome back. I'm Mark, and today I'll be showing you how to draw Goomba. So for this project, you just have to grab a sheet of paper, a black Sharpie, and some colored markers.
Please smash that like button right now and click the notification bell because I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them.
Okay, using a black Sharpie, let's start off with the basic shape of the head. So I'm going to start in the middle of my page. I'm going to go over to the right, and then we're going to come down like this, and then we're going to curve this outward, and then we're going to round for the cheek, and then we're going to come all the way across. You can do a little bit of a bump. See how this kind of has a slight curve to it? And then you can come back to the top, and let's keep this going. And then we're going to try to meet up down here by doing the same thing that we did on the left side. We're going to do on the right. And then we'll just come across and we'll round and meet up. Just like that. The next thing I'll do is in the center of the head towards the top, we'll do this little U shape like that. And then coming over to the left, we'll draw the eyebrow. So we're going to curve this up and down. And then over here, it's going to be close, right about here. And then as we go out, it's going to get thicker like that. And then we're going to join back up to the corner like that. And then we can do the same on the other side. We'll come up and down. And we'll do the same. So don't worry about, not being exactly the same. I don't think that matters. You can just be a little bit off. It's okay. See, you can see this left side is a little bit shorter than the right. That's totally fine. Now the next thing we'll do is we'll draw the eye. So the eye is going to come through and hit this eyebrow piece. So what we want to do is we'll start about here and we're going to create one eye shape like that. And we'll do another one on the other side, like that. Then inside we'll have the eyeball, so we'll do that right about here, just about that size, and we'll do the same on the other side. And then if you want to have a little highlight, we can do that. So I'll just draw these two little circles on the left side. And then since I have my black Sharpie, I'll just go and fill this in because this will be black all the way through. Just like that. Okay, now the next thing is the mouth. So we'll start over on the left side. I'm going to create this little hook shape. And then I'm going to come up like this and then back down on the right side. And then we'll hook that as well. Now on the left, we'll show a tooth. So we'll do this upside down, like triangular shape, like that, like a V. And we'll do the same on the right. So we'll do this V shape here. And now I want to add just a little bit of thickness. So I'm going to almost come and just touch this line with a second line, just to make that a little bit thicker, just like that. Okay, now we'll draw the body. So we'll come just below this eye. We're going to do a line over to the left. And then we'll draw this foot first. So I'm going to do a curve from here down like that. And then because this isn't long enough, I'll just connect like that. And then we're going to come down from here like this. And we'll come down from here like that. And then this will round and connect to the other side. And then this curve right here, the top of the foot right here, we're going to try to do a curve like this, and then it's going to come down. And then I left a little bit of a gap on this side because we will curve this, and this will come into the back of that line right there. Okay, starting in this position here, we'll finish the lower part of the belly or the body shape. So we'll come down at a slight angle, and then we're going to bend this up, and then see how this is inside of the tooth right here? We're going to try to end this side right about here. So we're going to come down, and then we're going to hook and meet up with that body right there. So you want to try to keep these points here inside of the teeth if you can, but it's okay if it's not. That's not a big deal. And then the last thing we'll do is we're going to start over here. We'll come down a little bit, and then we'll go over to the right. And then we want to end somewhere about here. So we're going to come and go up, and then this will round into the body just about there. And that's it for Goomba. Grab some colored markers. Now I'm going to use 3 different shades of brown. I'm going to have the head, the body, and then the feet. So let's go ahead and color this in. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing Goomba with me today. If you did, please like the video, and why don't you just subscribe to my channel? You know you want to. Just click that button, and then you can see videos every weekday. So until that next one, I'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.